Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see Bluetooth icon here at the top in the menu bar when it's missing, how to fix it. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, if you don't see it here, you may see it here on the control center. As you can see, here is the Bluetooth, but if you want to see it right there, now you need to go to your settings. So go to system settings, either search it for here, click on the Apple icon, there will be system settings, or maybe you have it on your menu bar at the bottom. After that, you want to click Control Center, and here you will see Control Center modules and you will see Bluetooth. As you can see, do not show in the menu bar, and once you will click Show, there it appears. And now, as you can see your Bluetooth right there. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.